Hello everyone. Today we will be solving another 1800 rated question, domino piling. So let's start by understanding the question first. You are given a rectangular board of m cross n squares. Also, you are given an ultimate number of standard domino pieces of 2 cross 1 squares. You are allowed to rotate the pieces. You are asked to place as many dominoes as possible on the board so as to meet the following condition. Okay. So each domino completely covers two squares. No two dominoes overlap. Each domino lies entirely inside the board. It is allowed to touch the edges of the board. Find the maximum number of dominoes which can be placed under these restrictions. In a single line, you will be given the two integers m cross n. Okay, board size is in square. Okay, output the maximum number of dominoes which can be placed. So basically, we will be getting a rectangle with m cross n square in which we need to fit as many as 2 cross 1 squares. Okay, so what do you think? Like in the initial one, like let's focus on some like visualizations. Look, let's say we crossed this one. Okay, one, then two, then three. Okay, one, two, three. I mean the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So like we covered the 15 dominoes in this rectangle of like basically 5 cross 6. Okay. 5 cross in 5 cross 6 we basically were able to store 15 dominoes. Okay. Okay. Let's say like this is the odd cross even for odd cross even rectangle. Okay, odd number of let's say columns and like the even number of rows. Let's say how it goes for odd cross odd. So let's say we only had this uh okay, so we only had like 5 cross 5 only, let's say. Okay, so don't consider this one, like we'll not be going for this. Okay, let's consider this only. So one, two, in this we can't fit three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, then here 11, 12. Okay, 12 dominoes into 5 cross 5 matrix. So can you think of any better way into like placing more than 12 dominoes here? No, right? Like there will always be the one which can't be occupied. Okay, so odd cross even is fine. Odd cross odd is fine. In even cross even you can like basically fit any like in all the blocks, right? So if you notice here one thing, like we can basically place the dominoes in all the blocks of rectangle if any of the like column or row number is even, but you can't like you have to leave one block in case the column and rows are like odd cross odd, right? Like in the row numbers, the number of rows are odd and the number of columns are also odd. So here like we can like you if you have noticed this statements properly, I'll repeat once more. If the number of rows or number of columns are even, then all the blocks of the rectangular board will be covered with the 2 by 1 dominoes. Okay. But if the number of rows and number of columns both are odd, then the single rectangular block will be still unblocked. Like it can't be covered with 2 cross 1 dominoes. So here, like we are near to the solution, uh, as according to these two statements. Okay, let's start by writing the solution to the problem. Okay, we are taking only one test case right into this. And m cos n. What are the constraints we have entered? 1 to 16. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so int total squares, I'll say. Total squares equals to m cross n. Okay, so now like int total dominoes equal to, as the domino size is 2 by 1, so it basically one domino uh blocks, like one domino covers two blocks, right? So we'll just write total squares divided by 2. Okay, now this will also cover the odd cross odd test case as well, as the one test case will be removed. But as we know, like the C++ will round the, like suppose let's say 25 divided by 2, so C++ will round this 12.5 to 12 basically, right? So it will serve the purpose of odd cross odd as well in this also. So let's just print the solutions of total dominoes. Okay, let's run the, okay, both are passed as you can see. Let's try to submit this solution. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see in my submissions. I think the code process server are like a bit slow today. Or is it the solution? Okay. Yeah, I'm sure about the solution. Guys, uh, you guys can check out the other people's solutions via like the contest. It will be near about the same. So yeah, you can check out from the other solutions as well. I'm sure about the solution. Okay, thank you everyone. I think like I was hoping that I would be able to show you the accepted verdict, but I think it's something wrong with the code forces server. Okay, no problem. Like I'm sure about the solution. If you have any other approach simpler than this, you can suggest. Thank you.